take a little snack break here. Chocolate moon pie, pretty good. All right, back to work. It's got a little cotton ball right here. All right, time to make some dinner. We're gonna have something delicious today. I've got some white bratwurst, some mustard, some sauerkraut. We're gonna cook up the best campfire brats ever. One bratwurst, loving the sauerkraut. Hot sauce, campfire brats, look at that. I love white brats. This thing's tangy and good, and oh. That is the best campfire hot dog I've ever had.